Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make builder gel thicker. Understanding your gel's viscosity is the first step. Viscosity simply refers to how thick or thin a liquid is. Builder gels come in various thicknesses, from low to high viscosity. This characteristic significantly impacts how the gel performs and what it's best suited for, whether it's for a natural overlay or creating longer extensions. Knowing this helps you choose the right product for your desired nail enhancement. If your current builder gel feels too thin, the most effective solution is often to choose a product with a naturally higher viscosity. Look for gels specifically marketed as high viscosity or sculpting gels. Potted soft gel builders, for instance, typically offer a thicker consistency compared to their bottled counterparts. These gels provide enhanced strength and durability, making them perfect for creating robust nail extensions and overlays that last. Achieving thickness also depends on your application technique. Start by placing a substantial bead of builder gel near the center of the nail. Instead of painting it on thinly, use a gentle massaging or swirling motion with your brush to guide the gel. This helps build the desired structure and apex. Remember, applying too many thin layers, especially with bottled gels, can hinder proper curing and reduce the overall strength of your nail enhancement. For lasting results, proper curing is paramount. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for curing times under your UV or LED lamp, typically 60 to 120 seconds per layer. Keep your builder gel at a consistent room temperature. Extreme cold can make it too thick, while excessive warmth can thin it out. Finally, be mindful during filing to preserve the carefully built thickness and strength of your beautiful, enhanced nails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.